Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy peanut laddu with just 3 ingredients. No added ghee or oil or refined sugar. Easy to make at home and healthy. So let's get started with the recipe. To make healthy peanut laddu, into my small chutney grinder I'm adding in about 7 to 8 cardamoms and I'm just crushing them. Once the cardamoms are crushed, peel off the skin. Grind the seeds to a powder. Once ground, keep this aside. The flavor of freshly ground cardamom powder is amazing in this recipe, so try not to skip it. I have heated my cast iron kadai and into that I'm adding in 1 1/4 cups of raw peanuts. So this is 1 1/4 cups of raw peanuts and I'm going to roast the peanuts on medium to low flame. Roasting the peanuts helps to release the phytic acid content. It helps to release the natural healthy fats, that is the natural oil in peanuts, and also helps to make it crunchy and crispy. I'm using a heavy bottomed cast iron kadai so it retains more heat. You can also roast the peanuts in an oven. And once the peanuts are roasted, remove it to a plate. Allow the peanuts to cool down and then peel off the skin. To peel the skin, I'm just rubbing the peanuts with a clean cotton napkin while the peanuts are still warm. Once the skin is removed, I've added the peanuts into my dry blender jar and I'm pulsing it a couple of times to make it into a coarse powder. The peanuts are coarsely ground. I'm going to pulse it again till it starts to release its oil. So I have again pulsed it a couple of times and the peanuts are now ground. So I'm mixing it with a spoon. To know whether the oil has started to release out, I'm just taking a small handful of the peanuts, ground peanuts, and I'm just seeing whether it can form into a laddu. And as you can see, it can form into a laddu. So that means the oil has started releasing out. So at this stage I'm going to add in the next ingredient. Also note that the peanuts are not ground super fine. It has a slight coarse texture. Into this I'm adding in half cup organic jaggery. I have crushed the jaggery and added into the measuring cup. You can use jaggery powder instead. I'm using organic jaggery which does not have any sand or dust particles. Hence I'm adding it directly into the blender. Next add in the ground cardamom powder, freshly ground cardamom powder, and I'm going to blend all this again. Since I'm using a high speed blender, just a couple of pulses is needed to blend all this together. Peanuts and jaggery are nicely blended and I'm going to transfer it to a plate. Mix it lightly with your hand. Roll into small ladoos. You don't need any extra oil or ghee or refined sugar to make this laddu. Super healthy and tasty. The healthy fats in the peanuts and the jaggery will help to bind and make it into a smooth and soft laddu. See how smooth the laddu is. You can see that it is shiny on the top. That is because of the healthy fats or healthy natural oil in peanuts which has been released when the peanuts were ground. There is no need to grease your hand with oil or desi ghee. The natural healthy fats in the peanuts is enough to make it into a smooth and shiny laddu. The best part about this laddu is that the whole family can enjoy it. So guys, do try this healthy peanut laddu and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.